What if I told you that some of the smartest systems in the world today are not just following instructions, but they are actually learning from the data? The company can predict future sales more accurately, a hospital can identify patient risk earlier, a bank can detect unusual activity faster, and businesses can make better decisions without depending only on the guesswork. That is the power of machine learning. It is one of the biggest reasons technology today feels smarter, faster, and more useful. And that is exactly why machine learning has become one of the most valuable skills to learn in modern technology. If you have ever wanted to understand how machines learn from the data and how that learning is used to solve real-world problems, then Simplilearn has come up with its free machine learning using Python course designed to help you build that foundation in a practical and a structured way. This course is not just about learning big technical terms. It is about understanding how machine learning actually works and how Python helps you apply those ideas in a meaningful way. What makes this course even better is that you can start learning without spending anything. The course is completely free. Yes, you heard it right. The course is free, it gives you a completion certificate, and you will get 90 days of access to learn at your own pace. So whether you are a beginner or someone who already knows a little and want to strengthen your basics, this course gives you a very good place to begin with. It is designed to make learning process easier, more practical, and more relevant to the real career growth. And the timing could not be better. According to the course page, the machine learning market was expected to reach $105 billion, and organizations have seen 44.1% growth in the adoption of machine learning. That clearly shows that machine learning is no longer just a future concept people talk about. It is already being used across industries to automate processes, improve decisions, recognize patterns, and solve business problems in a smarter way. From healthcare to finance to retail, operations, and cybersecurity, machine learning is becoming more important every single day. So inside this course, you will begin with a clear introduction to machine learning so you can first understand what the field actually means and why it matters so much today. Many people hear the term and feel that it sounds difficult or too technical, but this course is designed to make the learning easier to follow. It helps you build the basics step by step before moving into concepts that are widely used in the real machine learning projects. From there, the course takes you to the supervised learning, which is one of the most important parts of machine learning. This is where machines learn from labeled data and start making predictions based on the patterns. Then the course moves into regression and its application, where you will understand how machine learning can be used to predict values and future outcomes. After that, you will learn classification and its application, which helps you understand how machines sort data into a meaningful category. These are some of the most practical concepts in the real machine learning world. This course also introduces you to the unsupervised algorithms, where the machine works with unlabeled data and tries to discover hidden patterns on its own. That is very important because in the real world, data is not always clean, labeled, and nearly organized. And that's not enough. You will also explore ensemble learning, which helps you improve performance by combining multiple models, and then move into recommender systems, which are one of the most widely used applications of machine learning across digital platforms today. Wait. Along the way, you will also build exposure to important skills like time series modeling, linear and logistic regression, Kernel SVM, k-means clustering, and naive Bayes classification. And because the course uses Python, you are learning these ideas in a way that connects directly to the implementation. That is what makes this course even more useful, because you are not just learning what machine learning is, but you are actually applying it using one of the most important programming languages in the field today. This course is especially useful for analytics, managers, business analysts, information architects, and developers. But it can also be a strong starting point for anyone who wants to understand data-driven problem solving better. It can help you move toward roles like machine learning engineer, where the course page highlights on an average salary range is of around 11 lakhs to 16 lakhs per annum, along with related opportunities like AI engineer. So, if you have been waiting for the right opportunity to start learning machine learning in a way that feels practical, clear, and beginner-friendly, this is a great place to begin with. Simplilearn's free machine learning using Python course gives you a structured learning, essential concepts, practical exposure, a certificate at the end, and the flexibility to learn at your own pace. All this under just one course. Can you believe that? The course link is in the description box below, so go ahead, check it out, enroll today, and start building your foundation in one of the most in-demand skills in the modern technology with Simplilearn.